Hello everyone, this is a random Video Emporium unboxing, and what we have here is the Apple Pencil for the iPad Pro. Well, to start off, this is what the box looks like, and this was ordered, so there's this sticker that had my name on it. I took it off for privacy reasons, but this is what the box looks like. And I will be unwrapping the foil. Okay, so I've now taken the foil off of the iPad Apple Pencil, and now I'm gonna unbox this thing. So this Apple Pencil just slides right out like a dresser drawer. That's what's inside right there, and here is the Apple Pencil. Looks like we have, let's see what's in here. Don't think I've seen this before. And it looks like pencil tip, power dock or something like that. And this is definitely legal stuff, or looks more like directions on how to maintain and use the Apple Pencil. Okay, that is, yeah, this is definitely directions on how to use the Apple Pencil, and this appears to be legal documents. And here is the Apple Pencil. Got a pretty solid tip right there. And this is what the Apple Pencil comes wrapped in. So that's the unboxing of the Apple Pencil for my new iPad. Thank you for watching.